Today, we finished one nesting machine, so it will be my honor to introduce what the nesting machine is. Usually speaking, when we work with the cabinet, something like that, we need to work a lot of panels every day. So, if we use the common machine, the working efficiency is not so high. Now, if we use this nesting machine, the working efficiency will be very, very fast. Now, let's go to the back first. First, you can see here. Here is the loading table. When we put the panels on this loading table, then the loading table will be up and down itself. So the machine will be back. We can see the machine. The machine will be back. Be back to the side of the machine and the section, the panels, and moving it to the table. Moving it to the table. Then moving it to the table. Then the a pushing cylinder, something like that. This is the back pushing cylinder and the side pushing cylinder. They will work together to position the panels there. Of course, this is the cylinder will be up for the location positioning. Now, if we go to the front, okay. If we see from here, you can see our two magazines. This is under the gantry. So when the machine working, the machine can change tools very fast, no matter where it is. No need to go to the side or the back to change tools. It can change tools no matter where it is. The working efficiency will be very fast. And then when the machine finishes cutting, it will pushing the board to forward, and this download table will work. It will rotating itself. Then the people can be here, then download the cutting board. Then the machine working itself again. So that means you just use one people to operate this machine, but you can work cutting 200 panels every day, very fast. If you your work is for cabinet or a big amount of panel working, choose this machine. It's your best choice.